Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is a just arrived 2021 257 Grady-White, powered with twin 150 Yamahas. What a great package this is, super fuel efficient. And for a Grady-White, you won't believe the price on this thing. This is a really affordable 25-foot center console, and the rod is fabulous too. One thing that you'll always notice when you get on board a Grady-White is this entrance door back here in the back. Look at that, how thick this is. 2-inch thick fiberglass door. Huge hinges like you'd see on a 60-foot sportfish, not on a 25-foot center console. Everything about Grady-White is built like that, built to last, so that you're not fixing things 3-4 years down the line. Nice big fish box in the center, live well on the port side. The fold-out seat that you see that's pretty standard on a lot of the Grady-Whites. Super easy to operate. Look how quick that goes out. And notice I don't have any hard edges on here. Nothing that's going to bust my shins. Look at a lot of our competitors. They've got shin and knee knockers on them. Really dangerous stuff. This on the Grady-White, nice and rounded off. Folds away just as quick. We've got a freshwater shower back here on the back. You rinse that salt water off yourself, clean your glasses, wash your hands. You've got a raw water wash down underneath the gunnel. Leaning post on here, shotgun rod holders, place for your pliers, fillet knives, a little bit of tackle storage underneath. This is a place for a Yeti cooler. This comes with a Yeti cooler, comes on a sliding track, slides right out from under the center console. More shotgun rod holders. Here's another thing that I like to talk about, these little lights that are up here on the top. Just talking about the quality that Grady-White uses. You can buy some LEDs like this that are, probably $20, and you probably might get a year or two out of them. This little light right here, if I remember correctly, when I priced one of these up, was $150. That's what Grady-White does. They use all the best stuff that they can find. This is an aluminum housing that's powder coated. It's good stuff, just like everything else on the Grady. Ergonomics are fantastic on this boat. A lot of people like to stand up in their center console. Look at how comfortable this is. Hands fall right on the steering wheel, right on the throttle. Stereo's right there. My multifunction displays are going to be right in front of me. Nice electronics box, place I can throw my cap, my car keys, my wallet, throw that all up there. Life jackets, they're out of the way, but they're close at hand, easy to get at. Going up to the front of the boat, you've got some nice lounge seats up in the front. If nobody's sitting up here and you're just fishing, look how easy that you don't have to pick them up and try and put them away somewhere. They just fold out of the way, super easy. Low profile rail, drink holders everywhere on Grady-White, stainless steel one. Again, the best stuff that they can find is put into a Grady-White. Look at the size of the anchor roller on this. This has got an anchor windlass, the anchor roller. Look how heavy duty that is. Again, that's not something you typically would see on a 25-foot boat. That's something you'd see on a 40 or 50-foot boat. This is the Grady-White 257. This is a great value from Grady-White. Call me today for a test ride.